Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Axie Endlessness really is exchanging at $8.50 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.24% and for the most part most recent 1 in an unobtrusive manner. Axs generally has a sort of complete market cap of $985,368,398 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $58,147,753, which explicitly is genuinely huge. This in a real sense makes Axie Boundlessness beautiful positioning at 52 in the digital currency market amazing. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Axie Boundlessness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie Endlessness basically be especially worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely huge. Is Axie Boundlessness a kind of wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of enormous manner? Will Axs cost generally outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an especially significant manner? These especially are our Axie Boundlessness cost expectations for Axs's future, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the Axie Boundlessness Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the Axs cost especially is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $11.83. A normal especially least value worth of Axie limitlessness toward the finish of the very current year ought to sort of be $11.36 in a sort of enormous manner. Besides, Axs can arrive at a really greatest value level of $13.94, or so they generally thought. Axie Boundlessness Value Conjecture April 2023. In April 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Axie limitlessness could essentially stretch around $9.99 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Axs in April 2023 generally is $8.78 with a very normal cost of $9.71 in a really significant manner. Axie Boundlessness Value Conjecture May 2023. In May 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for Axie Vastness could stretch around $10.47 in an exceptionally huge manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Axs in May 2023 really is $9.53 with a for the most part normal cost of $9.90, which basically is very critical. Axie Endlessness Value Figure June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Axie Vastness in a real sense is for the most part anticipated to explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $10.30, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $10.87 and a sort of least of $9.93, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie Boundlessness Value Estimate July 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of Axie Vastness could go to $10.61 toward the finish of July 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Axs could basically be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $11.38 with the base expected cost of $10.15, or so they fundamentally thought. Axie Vastness Value Conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Axie limitlessness could truly stretch around $11.81 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Axs in August 2023 sort of is $10.45 with a very normal cost of $10.82, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie Endlessness Value Forecast September 2023. The cost of Axie Boundlessness in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to especially reach at a really least worth of $10.68 in September 2023 in a fundamentally significant way. The Axs cost could by and large arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $12.35 with the typical exchanging worth of $11.15 all through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Axs Value Estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness in a real sense is determined to in a real sense be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $11, which for the most part is very critical. The Axie Endlessness Value worth can generally arrive at a really limit of $12.79 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $11.37 in USD. Or so they essentially thought. Axie Vastness Value Gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Axie Endlessness could stretch around $13.36, showing how these truly are our Axie Boundlessness cost expectations for Axs' future in a really significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Axs in November 2023 by and large is $11.23 with a kind of typical cost of $11.60 in an unpretentious manner. Axie Endlessness Value Conjecture December 2023. The Axie Limitlessness cost for December 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a truly least worth of $11.36, while the kind of greatest gouage value sort of is around $13.94, which truly is very huge. The sort of typical cost for Axs especially is anticipated to in a real sense reach $11.83 in December 2023, or so they really thought. Axie boundlessness by and large past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been in a real sense diminished by 1.55% in its exceptionally current worth in a significant manner. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the essentially current market cap of the Axs with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise down in an especially significant manner. Axie Endlessness generally is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, showing the way that the Axs cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $12.35 with the typical exchanging worth of $11.15 all through 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. The Axs generally is down to nearly 2.65% in the genuinely most recent 7 days. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for pretty past really couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for especially at the same time. We don't generally believe that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, which sort of is very huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axs generally diminished by 15.130%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $1.51 from its kind of current worth, showing that will Axs cost really outperform its untouched high, which in every practical sense is very huge. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially decent in a real sense purchase and open door for speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is around 29.68%, and the cost basically flowed from an especially least in every practical sense normal cost of $5.86 to greatest extremely normal cost of $6.19 in the truly beyond 90 days. Or so they for the most part thought. In most recent 4 months, Axie Endlessness sort of has shown a developing pattern, which for the most part is very critical. Accordingly, we generally believe that comparable pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, exhibiting the Axie boundlessness value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the exceptionally most extreme cost for Axie vastness could truly stretch around $13.36, showing how these in a real sense are our Axie limitlessness cost expectations for Axs future, which explicitly is very critical, as per the sort of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Axie vastness especially is expanded from 4 months in a huge manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost in a for the most part huge manner. The coin for the most part is up by 5.69%, with the truly greatest certainly normal cost of the coin especially was around $7.05, and the by and large least for the most part normal cost of for the most part was around $6.70 and truly beyond